To set up app timer on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, we need to go to settings. Then we're gonna scroll down to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and here we have app timers. You may see some example timers that you can set up, provided by the phone, but you can also tap on this panel itself in order to set up your first timer. You can set the name, you can tap on this icon in order to customize the icon. Let's press down on keyboard. You can also tap over here in order to choose which apps should be included in the timer, and every app that is included in that specific timer has the timer is shared pretty much for them. So if you spend, for example, 5 minutes on one of these apps, if I select audio, then all of these 3 audio apps will be included. If you spend 5 minutes on any of these apps, then 5 minutes will be already taken from the timer for each of these apps. So let's press done. Let's assume that I just set up the timer for audio apps. You can also create a schedule, so you can tap on any of days of the week in order to, for example, choose how much time you should be able to have for the selected items for selected days of the week. So if you want to, you can set up, for example, 2 hours for one day and then 3 hours for the weekend or something. I'm just gonna press save, and that is pretty much all. Over here you can also check how much time is left for today, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.